Question 10. The diagram on the right shows a rectangular piece of cardboard. This is the cardboard. PQRS of area 224. Okay, so the area of this is base times the height. So 28x times y gives us 224. Okay, then a semicircle STR was cut out from the cardboard. So this is the semicircle. So since this is a semicircle, half of this would be the radius. So half of 28x will be 14x. Okay. Given that the perimeter of the remainder of the cardboard is 72. So after cutting this out, the remainder of the cardboard will be this. So the perimeter is this plus this plus this plus this. So 28x here, y here, y here. This length is half the circumference of a circle. If we have a circle, the circumference is 2 pi r. If half the circle, we half this. So half the circle, not this lah, without this, okay, just this length will be pi r. So pi times radius, 14x. Pi is just 22 over 7, so we use 22 over 7. 7 and 14 we can cut, this becomes 2. So 22 times 2x is 44x. Right. Okay, now we can make the perimeter equation. So 28x plus y plus 44x. 28x plus 2y plus 44x equals to 72. 28 and 44 we can add. 28 plus 44 is 72. So 72x plus 2y equals to 72. And I think we can reduce this equation. So the whole equation can divide it by 2. So 72, we divide 2, we get 36x plus y equals to 36. Then from here we can make y the subject. It will be 36 minus 36x. We can call this equation 2. This will be equation 1. Okay, this whole thing is the same thing now. We're just simplifying and then making y the subject. Okay. Alright, so now we have equation 1 and equation 2. We can just substitute the y into here. So we say sub equation 2 into equation 1. So 28x times y equals to 224. We expand this. 28 times 36 is 1008x. Yeah, correct. 1008x square equals to 224. Then we rearrange this. This is a quadratic form, x square, x and a number. So we bring these to this side lah. So we'll get 1008x square minus 1008x plus 224 equals 0. Okay, this whole thing we can actually simplify it. Let's look at what can we simplify it into. 1008 divided by 224 reduces to 9 over 2. That means 1008 can become 9 means 1008 divided 9 is 112. So we can divide the whole equation by 112. So when we divide, we'll get 9x square minus 9x plus 2 equals 0. Then we factorize. A is 9, B is -9, C is 2. We get 1/3 and 2/3. So here we'll get 3x minus 1, 3x minus 2. Done. So we get two values of x. Now we need to go ahead and find y. Y is just this. So we can say y equals to 36 minus 36 1/3. Y is 36 minus 36 2/3. (36 minus 36 1/3). We get 24. 2/3 is 12. So when x is 1/3, y is 24. And when x is 2/3, y is 12. Okay. So let's see if x can take these values. Yeah, both values can be accepted because there's no negative. So both are possible values. So this will be the final answer. Done.